Tool fans, get ready. 2026 is Milwaukee's year to shine. They're unleashing 20 brand new innovations built to redefine performance in the shop and on the job site. From cordless ratchets with serious muscle to SDS Max rotary hammers, dust-busting shrouds, and heavy-duty sledges, this lineup is all about speed, precision, and durability. Whether you're a contractor chasing efficiency or a DIYer demanding pro-level results, Milwaukee's latest tools deliver unmatched power and safety. Stick with us as we break down each release and show why Milwaukee continues to lead the industry. Power meets precision in the M12 Fuel 1 9/16" SDS Max rotary hammer kit. This heavy-duty rotary hammer delivers massive impact energy, perfect for concrete drilling and demolition tasks. Featuring one key connectivity, you can track, customize, and manage your tool from your smartphone for smarter job site performance. The brushless fuel motor maximizes efficiency and runtime, while the anti-vibration system reduces strain during extended use. Lightweight and ergonomically balanced, this kit makes even the toughest drilling more comfortable and precise. From large-scale construction to professional renovations, the M18 SDS Max rotary hammer is engineered to handle the hardest concrete and masonry work with ease, giving you unmatched power and control in every hit. Say goodbye to messy cuts with Milwaukee's 5-inch cutting dust shroud. Designed to pair with your grinder, it captures dust directly at the source, keeping your workspace cleaner and safer. Built for durability, this shroud withstands heavy-duty use on concrete, masonry, and other tough materials. Its sleek design doesn't compromise visibility, giving you full control while cutting. Easy to attach and adjust, it's compatible with a variety of grinders, making it a versatile addition to your toolbox. Perfect for contractors and serious DIYers, the 5-inch cutting dust shroud reduces cleanup time while improving job site safety. Stay efficient, precise, and protected on every cut. This is dust control Milwaukee style, engineered for professional results every single time. Get ready to revolutionize your workshop with the M12 Fuel 3x8-inch Ratchet Kit. Compact, powerful, and cordless, this ratchet is perfect for tight spaces where traditional tools just won't fit. With up to 55 foot-pounds of torque, it's designed to handle stubborn fasteners effortlessly. The RedLink Plus intelligence protects against overload, overheating, and over-discharge, keeping your tool running longer. Its ergonomic design and lightweight frame make extended use comfortable, while the included kit gives you everything you need to get started immediately. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this ratchet brings unmatched speed, precision, and convenience to every project. It's small, powerful, and ready to transform how you work in those hard-to-reach areas. Meet your new go-to hand tool, the 8-inch slip-joint pliers from Milwaukee. Designed for versatility, these pliers handle everything from gripping and twisting to bending and turning with ease. Constructed from high-strength steel, they deliver long-lasting durability, while the slip-joint design allows quick adjustment to multiple jaw sizes. Comfortable, non-slip handles reduce hand fatigue, even during extended use. Ideal for plumbers, electricians, and everyday home projects, these pliers are compact enough to fit in your toolbox, but tough enough to tackle demanding tasks. When you need precision, strength, and reliability in one tool, the 8-inch slip-joint pliers are ready to get the job done time after time. Tackle mortar cleanup like a pro with Milwaukee's 6-inch Tuckpointing dust shroud. Designed for tuck-pointing grinders, it captures dust right at the source, keeping your workspace clean and your lungs safe. The durable shroud is built to handle heavy-duty masonry work, while its smart design provides full visibility of the cutting area for precise control. Quick to attach and compatible with most grinders, it's ideal for contractors who demand efficiency without sacrificing safety. By reducing airborne dust, this tool not only keeps your job site cleaner, but also minimizes cleanup time, letting you focus on quality work. Lightweight, sturdy, and engineered for performance, the 6-inch tuck-pointing dust shroud is the professional solution for cleaner, safer, and more accurate masonry work. Imagine working under the scorching sun, framing walls hour after hour, and reaching for your drill still powered strongly by the Milwaukee XC 8.0 battery pack. From the very start, it's built to deliver steady power and reduce downtime on demanding jobs. Not only does it provide the same output as the larger 12.0 pack, but it also comes in a smaller, lighter body for easier handling during long shifts. Meanwhile, the Cool Cycle active cooling system keeps temperatures in check under heavy loads, ensuring consistent performance throughout the day. And when it's paired with the M18 dual-bay supercharger, it reaches 80% charge in just 35 minutes, so you can get back to work fast. In addition, its reinforced housing stands tough against job site chemicals, while Red Link Intelligence protects against overloads and maintains peak efficiency. Ultimately, from the first cut to the last screw, it delivers dependable, long-lasting power compatible with over 250 M18 tools, perfectly combining runtime, fast charging, and rugged durability in one compact pack. Designed for tight underhood spaces where access is limited, measuring just 4.5 inches long and 2 inches wide, it fits into confined areas without needing extensions or adapters. When paired with a red lithium high CP 2.5 battery, it delivers up to 225 foot-pounds of torque and up to 30% faster application speeds, helping complete jobs more efficiently. At only 1.6 ounces as a bare tool, it reduces user fatigue during extended work. The tri-LED work lights illuminate the workspace clearly, while the variable speed trigger and 4-mode drive control allow precise power adjustments. Auto shutoff prevents over-tightening, and the bolt removal mode slows RPM when a fastener is free, minimizing drops. With a friction ring socket retention system and single-handed mode changes, this impact wrench combines compact size, high performance, and convenience, making it ideal for automotive and tight space applications. Sometimes nothing beats raw power, and Milwaukee's 10-pound sledgehammer delivers exactly that. Built with a 36-inch handle and a high-impact steel head, it's designed to crush, break, and drive with maximum force. Perfect for demolition, construction, and heavy-duty landscaping, this sledgehammer combines strength, balance, and durability for efficient, controlled swings. The anti-vibration handle absorbs shock, reducing hand and arm fatigue during long, intense projects. Engineered for both professionals and serious DIYers, the 10-pound sledgehammer provides the precision and impact needed to tackle the toughest jobs safely. When brute force meets thoughtful design, your work becomes faster, cleaner, and more effective. Heavy-duty power has never felt this manageable. Next, we have the Milwaukee Nexus Dedicated Filter Cleaner, an accessory designed to keep your Nexus wet-dry vacuum running at full efficiency. It lets you clean the vacuum filter without removing it, containing all the dust inside and minimizing exposure during maintenance. The process takes 5 seconds or less, reducing downtime and keeping suction power consistent throughout the job. Installed between the motor head and tank, it becomes part of an integrated system that supports continuous cleaning while you work. Dual HEPA filters improve performance in fine dust environments, making it suitable for tasks such as light concrete cleanup where silica compliance matters. Keeping filters clear extends the life and performance of your vacuum. Compatible with all Nexus wet-dry vacuums, this cleaner fits seamlessly into Milwaukee's modular setup, allowing users to combine motor heads, tanks, and accessories for a more efficient and cleaner workspace. It's a practical upgrade for anyone handling frequent dust-heavy applications. To handle overhead branches without strain or extra equipment, the Milwaukee Pole Saw and Pruner offers a balanced mix of reach, control, and cutting strength. Its high-leverage pruning head cleanly cuts limbs up to 3 inches, while the chrome-plated saw blade handles branches up to 7 inches with smooth, fast action. Additionally, built with an impact-resistant aluminum head, it endures drops and rough handling on the job. The pole extends securely from 7 to 16 feet using a spring button and friction clamp dual lock, therefore giving you stability and reach when working at height. A rubber end cap adds comfort, and onboard rope storage keeps the setup organized. When not in use, the blade folds down and locks safely against the head for easy transport. Constructed from lightweight fiberglass and aluminum, it's durable yet manageable, offering efficient pruning and long service life for routine landscaping work or professional maintenance work. And that's a wrap, tool enthusiasts. These are the 11 brand new Milwaukee tools in 2026. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this.